Okay, you're going to see other distance formulas like this. Really, the only extra thing we're going to do is they're going to give you a graph, and you just need to identify the endpoints. So if we look at this question, it says find the length of the line segment of the graph shown. So here's our graph. Really, what we're doing is we're finding the distance between the two endpoints. What I need to do is label my endpoints. I'll make this one E1. So the x component is -3. The y component is -5. That's how I get this right here. Then the other endpoint is E2. And its x value is going to be 4. The y component is going to be 2. So I have my two endpoints. Now I can use my formula. As you can see right here, I like to label my points again. So I really am organizing everything. So it's, I'm not making a mess. I don't make a mistake. So using the formula for distance, I plug in x2 as 4, x1 as -3, y2 as 2, and y1 as -5. So I have everything. I can now put in my calculator and get the distance between these two endpoints. So press second square to get the square root, parentheses 4 minus -3. Again, I need two parentheses right there because that last one kind of encapsulates the difference in my x values. Then I square plus 2 minus -5. Again, I need another parenthesis there. Squared, press enter. And now I'm going to take that entire thing on my calculator and write it out. Now, in this problem, it doesn't ask to round the three significant figures. If you see this on the exam, what you could do is write out the whole thing and also round it to three significant figures. So a lot of times, if it's not explicit, if it's not told to you, round the three significant figures. So if we look right here, we have our answer from the calculator. I'm going to round to three significant figures, or the first three significant digits. In our case, it's a 9, 8, and 9. These are the first three. With the last line right here, I look to the right. Hey, it's another 9. That's 5 or more, so this 9 goes up to 10. But I can't just write 10 there, so that 1 carries over. So essentially, I get 0, but that 1 carries over. 1 plus 8 gives me 9. Another way to think about it is this is 89. Based on the 9 to the right, I take 89 and round it to 90. Either way works, but the approximate value rounded to three significant figures is 9.90. Remember, this 0 is significant because it's a trailing 0 of a decimal number. Okay. All in all, the answer is the length of the line segment on the graph is about 9.9 round to three significant figures. So the length of this line segment is roughly 9.9 or 9.90. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, please raise your hand. We'll come by. Otherwise, good luck on the practice, and I'll see you in the next video.